The Chemical Engineering Department Unit Operations Lab at BYU has multiple shell and tube heat exchangers. They are all controlled by Labview through an interface that you access through Pale Moon. It's a browser. You go to the UO Lab webpage and you can select shell and tube heat exchanger, and then you can control or view the experiment. This will bring up a Labview interface. For all the Labview interfaces in this lab, you have to right-click and request control, and you'll notice now that I can access various aspects of this unit. The first thing you ever want to do when running one of these units is to turn on the main power. So you request control and then you turn on the main power. And as I do this, you'll hear several things happen. When you turn on the main power, you hear all the pneumatic air control things going off. What's happening is now that the controllers are on, the system is trying to control to a certain level. Notice here that there's a level set point of 1.5 feet in the tank, and it's trying to control that even though it's a little less, but there's no water going on, so I haven't turned it on yet. So it's totally opening or closing the control valve, which drains that tank. There's a set point of 40 gallons per minute currently, and because there's no flow, the pump hasn't been turned on, the valve is fully open. And then there is a steam pressure set at 10 psig. And right now this is in manual mode and it's currently set to 0, so the valve is totally 0. So when I turned the power on, you heard all the pneumatic control valves start working.